Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a story that's a little unusual for our favorite blue blur. We all know Sonic the Hedgehog can run at supersonic speeds, save the world from Dr. Eggman, and eat chili dogs like it's his job. But can he cook? That's the million-ring question we're about to answer. Picture this. The first ever Mabius MasterChef competition is announced, and the grand prize is a lifetime supply of golden chili dogs. Obviously, Sonic couldn't resist. He signed up faster than you can say, gotta go fast. Now, Sonic's friends were a bit skeptical. Tails tried to build him a robotic sous chef, but Sonic, ever the purist, insisted on doing it himself. Amy offered her well-used recipe book, which Sonic politely declined, saying he was going to cook from the heart. Knuckles just laughed and said he'd probably end up guarding the Master Emerald instead of a trophy. Undeterred, Sonic donned a little white chef's hat, looking surprisingly official, and marched into the competition kitchen. His first opponent, the one and only Dr. Eggman, who claimed his culinary creations were as genius as his evil inventions. The first challenge was an appetizer round. The secret ingredient? Chaos Emeralds. Just kidding, it was actually just chili peppers. A sigh of relief went through the crowd, especially from Sonic. This was his home turf. He zipped around the kitchen, a blue streak grabbing ingredients. While Eggman was meticulously constructing a tower of jalapeno poppers using laser guides and robotic arms, Sonic was a whirlwind of motion. He chopped, he stirred, he seasoned, all with a confident smirk. In what felt like 30 seconds, he presented his dish, Supersonic Chili Bites, tiny, perfectly seasoned morsels that packed a spicy punch. The judges, including a very stoic Shadow the Hedgehog, took a bite. Their eyes widened. Sonic had actually nailed it. He won the first round, leaving Eggman muttering about miscalculated spice ratios. The main course was next, and the theme was speedy and satisfying. While other contestants were sweating over complex sauces and slow-roasting meats, Sonic had an idea. He grabbed a pile of ingredients for his signature dish. He tossed onions, peppers, and beans into a pan, sauteing them with incredible speed. The whole time, he was tapping his foot, humming a little tune. Eggman, meanwhile, was assembling a ridiculously complex egg salad burger with 17 different layers. But Sonic stuck to what he knew. He plated his famous chili dog, but with a twist. He toasted the bun to perfection, used a gourmet sausage, and topped it with a sprinkle of cheese and a secret blend of spices. He called it the Chili Dog Deluxe. It was simple, it was classic, but it was made with passion. The judges were charmed by its straightforward deliciousness. It was a close call, but Sonic's dish won for its pure, unadulterated flavor. Finally, it was the dessert round, the ultimate tiebreaker between Sonic and a surprisingly competent Dr. Eggman. The theme was a sweet victory. Eggman went all out, creating an elaborate multi-layered cake shaped like the Death Egg, complete with chocolate E-Series robots. It looked impressive, but Sonic knew he had to do something special. He remembered a recipe Amy had tried to show him once, for a simple strawberry shortcake. He dashed off, grabbing the freshest strawberries, the fluffiest cream, and the perfect ingredients for a light, airy cake. He moved with a newfound grace, not just speed. He carefully layered the cake, the cream, and the berries, creating a dessert that looked like a sweet, fluffy cloud. He presented his Velocity Strawberry Shortcake. The judges took a bite of Eggman's cake. It was dense and overly sweet. Then they tried Sonic's. It was light, it was fresh, it was perfect. Sonic had won. He didn't just win a lifetime supply of chili dogs. He won the respect of everyone there. He proved that even a hero known for speed can slow down and create something amazing. What do you guys think Sonic should cook next? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.